Initially, I thought YouTube does not want my videos on its platform anymore. On a second thought, I was now like, is the algorithm now hating me? What is happening? Why is the algorithm not pushing out my content anymore? Like same optimization, same thing, but why are my content not being pushed out to the right audience? So at that stage, I was now like, what's happening? I had to reach out to some content creators on YouTube here that I know them personally. Like we met you on YouTube, but we talk on WhatsApp, we talk via phone calls and all of that. And they were like, babe, they're experiencing something. Personally, I went through their channels as well, and they're experiencing low views. Guys, if you're having views on your YouTube channel, I am urging you to scroll, because this particular video is mainly for those persons experiencing low views. In this video, I'll be sharing with us some tips that, if implemented, might be of help. So if you're having low views, you might start getting views after watching this video. So guys, yesterday, after uploading one of my videos, I noticed something. So when I was uploading the video, because I used my YouTube app to upload the video, after uploading, I went over to Chrome to fully optimize. So while I was trying to put in the title, put in the description, tags and other things, I noticed that the collaboration stuff is there. So I'm gonna put it on the screen so that you get to see it. We can now invite someone you collaborated with. You understand? At that point, I had to make my research, because it wasn't enough noticing that almost everyone is facing low views. I was just like, let me make my research and know what is really happening. As the algorithm changed, of course I know that algorithm do change almost all the time, but it is not always as bad as this. You understand? So when I made my research, I discovered that maybe one of the reasons YouTube algorithm is not really favoring us like it used to before is because of the new features. Remember the new features we talked about few weeks ago? I think YouTube has started bringing them in, like as I speak with you, because when I was uploading that video yesterday and this particular video today, I have seen that collaboration and that invite button. So aside from that, I think about 1 month ago I made a video on how YouTube is trying to bring in age restriction. Before now, for some countries it was 13 years, but I think YouTube lifted it to 18 or so. You understand? I made a video on that. If you've not seen that video, please kindly go and watch. In fact, I'm gonna link it to the end screen of this particular video, so go and watch, and even in the description, go and watch and know. So I am now like, because in that video I talked about how YouTube will get to know if you are an adult or not. One is through your watch history, the other one is through the kind of content you watch, through your face and all of that. You understand? The kind of content you create as well. So that was it. And at this point, when I sat down, I was just like, if YouTube has come up with this age restriction and all of that, it therefore means that the people who used to watch these videos, like some persons must have gotten angry and left and all of that. And you know, when people are leaving, those who were watching your videos, if they are leaving, there will be a space, like you will feel it that someone left. So imagine if your top viewers, like you had like 10 persons, once you upload your video, those 10 persons are coming to watch, and that will trigger YouTube to push it out the more to more persons, and those 10 persons happen to be people who are not up to the age of 18. What will now happen to your YouTube channel? So I don't know if you're getting all of this. So in a nutshell, I personally feel like maybe these new features that YouTube has brought into the platform is one of the things causing low views, because personally I have seen bigger content creators with over 1 million views, 200,000 views, 100,000 views in the span of 1 week having lesser numbers of views. And when I saw that, I was like, if these people are having these numbers of views, like who am I? You understand? Now, another thing that I want to draw your attention to is this. I know that it is very, very discouraging. Personally, if you know me from my other YouTube channel, you know that I am that one content creator who creates content every day. Like, I might not create every day. I know that some days I do create like 4-5 contents and I will upload them in 4-5 days. You understand? Like, what I mean is this: I upload every day, but the low views itself, this is kind of discouraging. I know I am busy these days, but the me I know, I know that irrespective of how busy I am, at least I'll put out something. So what am I saying in a nutshell? I am urging us to keep creating content, because this is only for a while. I truly believe that it is only for a while. Before you know it, everything will get back to normal. Another thing I noticed is this is when everything got so clear to me. On my other YouTube channel, it's been a while I uploaded there. So even as it has been a while I uploaded on that YouTube channel, I was still getting views. In fact, the watch time I was getting on that particular YouTube channel cannot even be compared to the watch time I am getting on this particular YouTube channel in 28 days. So I noticed that my older videos, the old videos I made on that channel, were still bringing in views, were still bringing in subscribers. Last month, I carefully went through that YouTube channel. Like, I went through the analytics of that YouTube channel. I checked out my most viewed videos. I checked the numbers of subscribers it brought in, numbers of watch time and all of that. And I noticed that a video was bringing in like 300 subscribers. And I was like, what? And this is a channel that I have not even uploaded for some time. So when this low views of a thing became very clear to me, I was like, let me rush back to that YouTube channel and check if there is anything going on there. And when I got there, I noticed that even the views on that channel has dropped. Guys, it is a general thing, and I really do not want this to discourage you. This is one thing you need to know. YouTube is here to stay, and we content creators on this platform, we are here to stay as well. I've noticed one thing: YouTube so much loves its advertisers and viewers. So you're the content creator, I just feel like YouTube does not really prioritize us, but we are important, because if we content creators are not creating content, uploading them here on YouTube, like, where would the advertisers place their ads, and where will YouTube get the money? Do you understand? So here on YouTube, we are three major players. First, the YouTube itself, because we as content creators, if YouTube is not here, where are we gonna upload our content? Forget about other social media platforms. I've told you guys before now that as far as all social media platforms are concerned, YouTube is their senior brother, is their elder brother in terms of payments and in everything. Trust me, I don't want to talk more than that. So we have YouTube itself, we have content creators, and we have advertisers. And this is why YouTube is always telling you that if you want to enter your content, ensure that you create advertisers friendly content. You never hear YouTube say create content creators friendly content. You'll not hear something like that. So what am I saying in a nutshell? Irrespective of the low views, keep creating content. I can recall on my other YouTube channel, my most viewed video on that channel, like the day I made that video, I just did it casually. You understand? I was just like, I was feeling so reluctant. I made the video. In fact, oh Jesus Christ, at the end of the day, I uploaded that video. I didn't know that that video was gonna pick up. That video stayed on my YouTube channel for 2 months. It was not getting views. That video picked up like 4 months after I uploaded that video. And this is why I am always telling people, even when you're not getting views on YouTube, be hopeful, because as far as your content are evergreen content, it will pick up one day. Sometimes when I go back to that my YouTube channel, I'll just look at my analytics. I'll be like, so this video was gonna make it. You understand? So what am I saying in a nutshell? This is me urging you to keep creating content. Keep creating content every day. Close your eyes against the low views. If you want to look at the low views, you will stop creating. Keep creating, keep creating, keep creating. One of your videos will definitely go viral any of these days. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.